My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Skoda Fabia. This vehicle has done just over 61,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and voice control as features. And on the right, we have our driver assist. Moving onto our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio, media, phone, and TP. On the right, we have setup, sound, our vehicle status, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. And just below our screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.